A little too late in the evening for a quality voiceover, so this is the best that I can do for you goons and mutants out there. We're looking at an old, the 1980s. I think it's an 86 2204, old JCM 800. You're going to get a quick and rambly update there. Let's walk through some quick updates and see what's changed between now and this morning. A little bit. Although, so you've got some of the pots here. These are split knurled shaft. Some of them have been bent. You can kind of see. And I will try to straighten it a little bit, but boy, that's some risky business. I mean, if when I go to straighten it, there's a good chance that it'll just shear off. It'll just shear in half, so I'll see what I can do, but I'm not going to hold out hope. I need to flip this circuit board over, and I need to remove those knobs and all this hardware to do that. I think this probably best illustrates what we're dealing with. So this guy is probably going to be okay. This guy right here, probably. This is terrifying. And the rest of these guys are okay. So I went through, and this is as clean as I can get this surface. These are super high quality power resistors here. These are wire wound, lightweight. I love this. This is a new brand that I've been following for a bit, and they have great reviews. We got your new grid stoppers there. I put a new 10K dropper there because that one was stressed. The guy on this side of the board is perfectly fine. We have some new bias filter caps there. Your diodes are fine. Your phase inverter coupling caps have been replaced. And well, I think that's about it, man. Everything else is looking really good. I'm waiting on those caps to arrive. They should be here in about 3 days. Your new tube should be arriving tomorrow sometime. But other than that, that's about all the updates I got for you. I'm really hoping that this doesn't break when I go to straighten it out, though I'm not going to hold out hope. This thing is, wow, this thing is quite old. Although something miraculous has just happened. I was able to straighten all these guys out. This dude is still canted a little bit, but it's nothing like it was. And dude, when I say miraculous, normally these guys would just break off when you try to straighten them out, but I got incredibly lucky, or this is just back from the day when they weren't using any sort of pot metal. This was just straight up a good old British steel or whatever the hell they were using. But so that's great news. Everything else is good to go. I think I went over this already. I don't even know, it's so late over here. So we're just waiting on your tubes and those F&T cap cans to come on in so I can finish everything out. And you should be good to go. If she's still bright and crispy, then I could look at removing the bright cap. Other than that, you're in business.